I'm here with my Dash compact air fryer, and today I am making a grilled cheese sandwich in this compact air fryer.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So the first thing I am going to do is preheat the air fryer. I'm going to set it to about 4 minutes and the temperature is 375. And while that is preheating, I am going to be assembling my sandwich. Now, I am going to make this the exact same way that I made this in the Dash Mini Griddle and the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. So this is like part 3 in that series. I've already shown that yes, you can make a grilled cheese sandwich in the Mini Griddle. And yes, you can even make a grilled cheese sandwich in the Mini Waffle Maker. Now let's see if we can make a grilled cheese sandwich in the Dash Compact Air Fryer, and let's see how it comes out and how it compares to the other 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. So I'm using the same exact ingredients. I have a slice of sourdough bread, a slice of cheddar cheese, and some butter. So let's cut the bread in half. And let's cut the cheese up. Again, you could use any kind of cheese that you like, any kind of bread that you like, as much cheese or as little cheese as you want. I am not a fan of cheese, so I just put 1 slice on, not even a whole slice sometimes. And then on the top slice, I will be adding some butter. Again, I'm making it exactly how I made it in the other 2, so I'm putting some butter on the inside and also on the outside. Some people like a lot of butter, other people don't like butter. Normally, if I was making this, I would not be adding the butter, but just to see if there's a difference in the air fryer, that's why one half of it's going to have butter and the other half is not going to have butter. Okay, so the air fryer is ready to go. Here's the sandwich, and let's put this in the air fryer. So here's the compact air fryer. All I'm gonna do is put the sandwich inside of it. That's it. And let's set the air fryer for about 3 minutes. So let's come back in 3 minutes and check on it. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, so let's see what's going on in here. And this is what the grilled cheese looks like. So it feels toasty and the cheese is melty. It's already melted. Now the bread has not really browned a whole lot. So let's turn it over and let's put it back in for another minute. Okay, so it's been another minute or so and this is what's going on. Let's take it out. So here's the grilled cheese sandwich. It's a nice golden brown color and the bread is crispy. Now here's the side that was buttered, so you can see the side with the butter is a little bit darker. There's some cheese oozing out of some of the sourdough air pockets. That's fine. And here's the other side. Let's cut into it. Very, very crunchy. And that's what it looks like. The cheese is nicely melted. It looks really good. So now let's taste it. Really, really, really good. So the nice thing about the air fryer is that a lot of the butter just melts into the bread and is not lost to the griddle or the waffle maker, for example. Especially when I only put the butter on top, and when the top piece heated up, all the butter melted down into it. Obviously, if you're going to put butter on the bottom as well as the top, on the bottom, you'd lose some of the butter, and also when I flipped over the sandwich, I lost some of the butter. But you could definitely see that the side without the butter is drier, and the side with the butter is moister from the melted butter. The bread is really crispy, and it's a nice, even crisp. Just because of how it cooked in the air fryer. And I have to say that cooking it in the air fryer is definitely the easiest way to cook a grilled cheese sandwich. I mean, you just assemble the sandwich, put it in the air fryer, put it on for like 5 minutes, and it's done. Like, you really don't even have to do anything. I really did not even have to flip the sandwich over. I would have just put it in, let it go for 5 minutes, and it would have been fine. So as far as ease of use and convenience, yeah, the air fryer, I think it wins for that. The other thing we have to think about is cleanup. For me, it's super easy to clean up a Dash mini griddle. You just wipe it down. If you want to hit it with a sponge and some water, you could always do that. With the air fryer, I have to take this entire basket out and then wash it. So as far as cleanup goes, the air fryer really requires more cleanup. And with this Dash compact air fryer, it does not fit a full slice of this bread. But again, this is the longer sourdough bread. So if your bread is this shape, it's not going to fit. However, I think maybe if you get like standard square bread, that might fit. I haven't tried that yet. I'll have to try that someday. Yeah, so that's how you can make a grilled cheese sandwich in a Dash compact air fryer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else can be made in a Dash compact air fryer. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.